Hey, what's up everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Lutz, Florida. We're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning here for a customer, new customer. She was referred to me by somebody else in this neighborhood, which I don't remember. It's been a while since I've been in here, but it is what it is. I appreciate it. So we're gonna be doing this driveway here. We got 2 more jobs in the schedule. We got another driveway cleaning to do after this. Then we're gonna be doing an awning cleaning. It's been a while since we did an awning. We're gonna try to get her booked up. I'm going to do the estimate. I'll take you guys with me just to see what I see, and hopefully we can book it. I got my boy Carey with me today. We're gonna be doing all these jobs together. Hopefully we can get them down before, you know, give or take 2 o'clock today. We're all gonna be traveling a little bit. We're in Lutz, which is North Tampa, and we're working as far as Port Tampa, which is the South Tampa, the end of Tampa. Let me show you guys what we got going on. So we got this driveway here. Got a lot of algae on it. Pretty decent sized driveway. See how bad the concrete is. We're probably gonna have to pre-treat and post-treat. That's fine. They do have low flow at this house, so we're double fitting the tanks. Like they got a well over here, and they got the regular water on the city water on the other side. So we got one line going into the tank here, and we got the other line going to the house over there. So before we start, we're gonna go ahead and apply some SH down to clean off or soften off this algae. And then we're gonna, you know, surface clean it up. Dwell time probably gonna be around 5 minutes, and then we're gonna start. Stay tuned. All right, so I got Carey putting down the mix. Y'all, we just got done doing half of the driveway. I'm gonna let Carey do the bottom half. Over here is all cleaned up. I will put a post treatment on here just so I can make it pop a little bit more. Let me show you guys where I stop. This side over here is cleaned up. This side right here, look at this. Looking bad. I'm gonna let Carey get on the 1s and 2s. You got it? All right. Let him rock. Let's go. wrapping up everything here. Everything's clean. We're putting stuff away for the next job. Let's check it out. Go to the driveway here. Pre-treat, clean and post-treated. No lines. While we were here, we also did the exterior gutters on the front of the house for the customer. They were pretty dirty. A little upsell. Something like this, 60 bucks. We did this little pad right here for her too. We cleaned the gutters from here down. You guys can see how dirty the fascia is in the rest of the house. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna see y'all when we get to the next job. All right, we made it to the second job. Right now we're in Carey, Florida. We're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning, another new customer. I work in this neighborhood quite a bit. So all these are 1-car townhomes, 1-car driveway. Look like they got the amenity center right there. I might go over there and see if I can talk to them, leave my card and information. But we're here for this one driveway here, so let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is it here, pretty dirty. This one's gonna look great when we finish. We still got the 5% mix in our soft wash hose, so we'll go ahead and hit all these little stones around the driveway just to make everything stand out. The last home has some low flow, so the water is kind of low, so therefore we're gonna let the water fill up. This one is going faster, so we should be good to go soon. And if y'all haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like, leave a comment, hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. Share this video with your friends and families. I appreciate all y'all support. Y'all stay tuned. All right, 15 minutes. We're all wrapped up here. Post-treated the driveway. Everything here is clean. Clean the rocks around the walkway. Post-treated. Rinsed the front door. This little patio for them, even though it's shared. But she's good to go. Hardest working 15 minutes ever. We packed up, ready to go. So we're gonna take a lunch and then we're gonna go down to South Tampa. We got an awning cleaning. I'm doing the estimate. Hopefully I can book it, give them a good price. If I get the job, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Y'all stay tuned. All right, you guys, right now we're in South Tampa. We're gonna be doing an awning cleaning. I just gave the quote to the customer and they went along with it. So we're gonna go ahead and knock it out right now. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So you guys can see there's a lot of algae on the front end of the awning. And then if you look on the underside, you guys can see how much algae there is. Look at that. Pretty bad. We're gonna start with a downstream mix on there before we start. We might have to bump the mix up. You can see the algae on this one too. We're gonna have to bump the mix up. We got the soft wash system we can use. Let's see this one here. This one's not bad at all. So before we start, we're gonna apply some water on there just to wet everything up. We're gonna water these plants down here, water the awning. I'm gonna go up top, spray the solution, and then let it sit. I do have a brush just in case I need to agitate it. And then I'm gonna use my soap tip to rinse everything off with a soft pressure. All right, Carey just got done wetting down everything. So let me show you guys what I can see from the top. So we're gonna downstream the SH first, see what comes off, and then if we need to, we'll bump the mix up. Don't go crazy and just going straight hot on these awnings. You never know what's gonna happen, so take it easy. Let's go. We're taking a little look, clearing up. Gonna give it a little time. We may have to put the 5% mix on there just to get it to go all the way, but we're gonna do it in layers. Stay tuned. We're gonna agitate it with the brush. Make sure you get all that white to pop. And then we're gonna give it a rinse and see if we gotta hit it again. Doing our first rinse. Just using the ball valve. With the awnings, you gotta make sure you rinse really well. You don't want to leave no strains of SH behind, because that will mess up the threads on the awning. It'll start getting rotten. You don't want them to get rotten, so you want to make sure you rinse really well. All right, everything has been done now. Now we can wrap everything up, rinse the underneath the patio over here, rinse the doors down, rinse everything over here up. Look at that. Bam. She's good to go. She's good to go. All right, you guys, I appreciate all the support. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. I appreciate all the support. Remember, at 15K, we're doing a giveaway. And I'm still gotta do that video to get everybody all in one video to put up their nickname for the truck. That way we have it in one central location. So y'all stay tuned, y'all have a good one, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Also, shout out to my boy Carey for the help today. We've been working hard all this week, man. So shout out to Carey for giving the help. Shout out to my boy Chris as well. That helped us out on the big rust project that I gotta put up for you guys. Y'all stay tuned, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.